Now we arrived at our first beach today, the Nacpan Beach. I guess it's not that touristy than El Nido. Was a nice motorbike ride till here. You saw some interesting things on the ride?
Buffaloes.
And?
Very nice, coconut and palm trees.
Yeah, nice island.
Nice breeze.
Okay, so let's go to the beach. We arrived at another wonderful destination here near to El Nido. What's the name of that nice beach?
That's the Duli Beach.
Really famous for surfing, I heard, so we will check it out for you. If the waves are that big, come on and follow us. Now we spent a few hours here on the Duli Beach. Was really relaxing watching the surfers do their stuff. And soon we're gonna head again towards our hotel with the motorbike. Evie will do the driving.
Yeah, I love riding.
We definitely had an amazing day today. We took the ride with the motorbike. We saw some amazing beaches, and now we are.
We walked through the jungle to come here, Lio Beach.
And now we will enjoy a nice dinner here. Will be French cuisine today, tapas, so French, Spanish. I hope you liked that video. If that's the case, you can subscribe to our channel. We will be really thankful for that. Leave us a like, comment. Our next video will be an action video again. We will do a boat tour. We will tour to sea. So stay tuned, will be really good. Bye bye.